Responding to the reasons behind the removal of Pidalia Toy as the chairperson of the Meghalaya State Commission for Women, Social Welfare Minister Paul Lyngdoh said it was not his personal decision to remove Pidalia Toy from the post of MSCW chairperson. Rather, she has been removed after an inquiry into allegations of violation of the Women's Commission Act. Lyngdoh also said that she had failed to attend the prescribed number of meetings of the commission. Along with this, he also informed that this time the state government has decided to appoint a woman with no political affiliation as the chairperson of the State Women's Commission, whose selection process is going on.
The cabinet will be informed and the reasons will be cited, and there will be constitution of fresh body or the appointment of a new chairperson. These will be subsequently reviewed, but initially what we intend to do is have a search committee so that we get the best possible person to serve.